Good day, sir. Today, I will be talking about one of the most essential aspects of our lives, communication. Every day, from the moment we wake up until the time we go to sleep, we engage in communication. Whether it is a simple greeting to a friend, a text message we send, or even the way we express ourselves through body language, communication is always present. Without communication, human connection would not exist. It is the very foundation of how we build relationships, share ideas, and work together. In fact, communication is so powerful that it can unite people, but when misused, it can also create conflict and misunderstanding. So let us first define communication. Communication is the process of sending and receiving messages, whether through words, actions, or expressions. It can be verbal, such as conversations, speeches, or written words. It can also be nonverbal, through gestures, eye contact, and even silence. In today's digital age, communication also happens online through emails, chats, and social media platforms. But communication is not just about speaking. One of the most important aspects of communication is listening. Often, we think of communication as expressing our thoughts, but real communication only happens when both sides understand each other. Another important element is clarity. If our words are unclear, the message can be misunderstood. That's why great communicators always aim to speak simply and directly. Now, why is communication so important? There are many reasons. In education, students and teachers need communication to share knowledge effectively. In relationships, communication helps people express love, trust, and care. In the workplace, communication ensures teamwork and collaboration. And in society, communication is the key to peace and unity. Technology has also transformed communication. Today, we can instantly talk to people across the world. But at the same time, online communication can cause misunderstandings because tone and emotions are harder to express through text. That is why it's important to remain thoughtful and respectful when we communicate digitally. So, in conclusion, communication is more than just the exchange of words. It is about creating, understanding, building trust, and connecting with others. If we learn to communicate with clarity, respect, and active listening, we can avoid conflicts and strengthen our relationships. Communication has the power to inspire, to educate, and to bring people together. It is a skill in we must continue and to practice, not just in school, but in every part of our lives. Thank you for listening, and I hope my speech reminds you of the true value of communication in our lives and how it is shaping our world and how we live.